Hi there, students. You know the muscles along the back of your leg here? Well, those are called the hamstrings or the hamstring. It's that muscle that runs along the back of your leg. And very often, for example, footballers pull a hamstring and then they can't play until it's better. Yeah, they strain a hamstring. In antiquity, they used to hamstring prisoners. If you cut those muscles, it severely hinders them from moving about and it incapacitates them. Okay, so a hamstring is the muscle. To hamstring, to cut that muscle. And then we even have an adjective, hamstrung. Now, most commonly as a verb or an adjective nowadays, we use this verb to hamstring, meaning to restrict the efficiency of something, to make it not very effective, to cripple, to handicap, to disable or to constrain. So, for example, the company was hamstrung by high interest rates and a large burden of debt. His freedom to act in the matter was hamstrung by a multitude of codes of conduct. So he couldn't act freely. Our plans were hamstrung by severe weather and we couldn't travel. His project was hamstrung by a very small budget. So we use this verb to hamstring, meaning to make something very difficult for somebody to act. Yeah, they may be able to act, but the limits of their action are so restricted that they are severely incapacitated. Okay, so to hamstring, to incapacitate, to make it very difficult to work. So, the origin. Well, the origin is clear. So, a leg of ham. The leg of the pig is the ham, and that's the bit that you make good ham from. And the string, the muscle, the tendon. Okay? Now, you're going to wonder about formality. I think this would probably give it something like a 6 or even a 5.5 in formality. It's definitely a good word to use in an informal conversation. I think you could use it in a very formal document, but it's slightly on the less formal side, okay? But I think it's okay in a very formal context. Okay, so the hamstring, this muscle at the back of your leg, which is the one that helps your leg move around. And then to hamstring, to restrict the movement of, to disable, to constrain. Notice, it's an irregular verb. Hamstring, to hamstring, hamstrung, the problems hamstrung me, and he has been hamstrung by the new law. Okay, so an irregular verb, string, strung, strung, works in the same way. Okay, so to hamstring, to disable, to make severe problems for and restrict somebody's possibilities of action. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you soon. Bye for now. To hamstring.